Hello everyone. Today we are going to prove here that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You all know that this is equal to this, but you learnt it. You don't know that how a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. When our student and at that time our teacher also did not tell us that how this is equal to this. We were just told to learn this and we learned it well. So you may have the question today that why this a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in today's video, I am going to tell you that how this a plus b whole square can be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let me have here one square. So again you may have the question that why we are going to draw the square? Why we are not drawing the rectangle or circle? So the answer of the question is that a plus b whole square. So here for this purpose we are going to take the square because this is not the cube. This is the square, so we will draw here the square. And you all know that square is the figure in which all the four sides are equal as well as the angles. So now each side of the square we are going to distribute this into two parts as one is A and the other is B. So any one part you can take as A, as this one can be A and this much can be B. Again you may have the question, why this is A and why this part is the B? Why they both are not A or why they both are not B? So, the answer of the question is that in formula there are the two variables, one is A and the other one is B. So, they are the different variables. So, that's why I am going to distribute the one side as the different lengths because the variables are changed. If they both are same, both are A, then I will divide this into two equal parts and the name of the both parts will be B or will be A. So for this reason that they are the two different variables A and B, it means their values are also different. So this much part is A. Same like this on the other side, this much smaller part is A and this much longer part is B. On the third side, this much part is A and this much longer one is B. And here on the fourth side, you can see here, this is A and this much part is B. So you can see here that in all there are the four figures. The first one is here that you will see. I am going to highlight that this one. This one is the first square and this bigger one is the second square which has the side B, B and this one upper portion that is the rectangle. You can see one is the longer side and the other one is the smaller side. It has the different length and width and this much. This one is also the rectangle which has the two different lengths. One is B and the other one is A. So here now we are going to find the area of all these figures. So for finding the area, we have to keep in mind that this figure is square, the smaller one, in which both the sides are A. So the area of this square will be here, that is A square. How this is A square? Because the area of the square is equal to side multiply side. Okay, after this we are going to find the area of the bigger square in which both the sides are b. So we are going to multiply b multiply b, and we will get this equal to b square, because the area of the square is equal to side into side. Okay, after this we are going to find the area of the upper rectangle, and its length is b and its width is a. So a multiply will be b, it will give you ab, because the area of the rectangle is length into width. Same like this, we will find the area of the other rectangle, and its area will also be equal to a b. Now you can see that here are the four figures. One is area is a square, and the other one area is AB, and then second rectangle area is AB, and the second square area is B square. Now I can highlight this here. This is the first one, area A square. Area of the rectangle is AB, second rectangle area is AB, and then the second square area is B square. Okay, after this we are going to form here the formula. We are going to add them, because in the formula there is a plus b. It means we are going to add all these. The area of the first figure is a figure, that is a square. Area of the first rectangle is AB, that we will write here. Then the area of the second rectangle is also AB, and we will add it. Then the area of the second square, the bigger one square, that is the B square, and we will add that as B square. You can see here that AB plus 1AB, and we can add them. A square we will write as it is. 1AB plus 1AB, that will be equal to 2AB, and then there is plus B square, and you will notice here that this one formula that you got now, a square plus 2ab plus b square, is the same that you have learnt before. So now there is no need of the learning. You can derive this formula very easily. Thank you.